Okay, this is a little video about the air conditioning control. Here they are a little smaller, but it's easy to control from here. You have heated seats, air conditioned to the motor on and off. You have the temperature, the fan speed, but if you need to have a more comfortable screen, you have here for the front, and as you can see, you can turn on the heated seat, or here the different heating. This is for cooling, and here you have AC, auto. Dual is if you want to have control for right and left in a different look. You see, you can have two different temperature. If you deselect this, you have the same. Here you can control the zone. You see, it's easy. The fan speed, and it works. It's very responsive. This is for the back, auto, or you can change the temperature, but also the AC control from here, they works the same, and you know, I like it so much, better than the original, the stock one. The only thing that doesn't work is this control is for the heated steering wheels, but it's not a problem because as you can see, this one works, and so it's not a problem. Here there is also the temperature, and it's more accurate than that. As you can see, there's the half degree, and it's good. I like this much more than the stock one. Man, my dog.